Metal. How we doing, kids? Yeah, there we go. So, Track Girl and I are going to run them. She's going to be in her pink Ferrari, and I will be in the blue Audi. Here we go. All right. Track Girl's going down. Metal.
Ready?
Yes.
3.
Watch the lights.
2, 1.
Go when the lights go out.
Go.
Oh, you're already taking the way.
Come on, try to catch. Come on, there you go. There you go. You're going down, woman. Hey, what the hell? That's what you get. Go ahead. Oh, that's it.
Ow!
Can you shed? Go ahead. Slow down.
I want to beat you though.
I know you do. You gotta slow down in them corners. Oh, we didn't turn gas on. You're lucky. 21 laps. I forgot to turn fuel on, gentlemen. Uh-oh. Gotta beat me. Come on. Come on, girl. Oh. You're getting greedy, as Dave the Hat Man would say.
I know.
Hey, wait a minute. Can I get your phone number, lady? Track Girl is taking the lead. What? No. I do have to catch her.
Ow!
Don't give her half a lap. Oh.
I don't know where it's going to go on.
I probably won't beat her. Maybe I will. I'm going to keep going.
That corner is really, I gotta learn that corner a little better.
That corner is one of the hardest corners. That corner, and this corner.
God, darn, I'm sorry. Alright.
It's okay. It happens.
I'm gonna pay attention. Maybe not.
Watch your car, not my car. Get in the inside lane. Whoa!
Oh, sit down. You tricked me.
Come on. Come on. There she is. Oh no.
Oh, that's better when I teach you.
That's good. There you go. We got a barn burner going here. 18 and 18 laps. Track Girl's in the lead.
Probably not going full speed.
I would never do something like that. Oh no, this is it. Final lap. No. No. Oh, she blew it. She would have had me. Yay. Good race, everybody. Medal. Good job, Track Girl.
Thank you.
And there was much rejoicing.